on us right now is not a PCR test. It's just a mix-up. I'm really sorry about that.
Yeah, I really need the PCR testing because I will not allowed to be in my country unless I get that testing, and I can't afford to stay in Jamaica any longer.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your island family here again. So basically, you know, I'm at my last leg of leaving Jamaica, and in order for me to leave, the Australian government has asked for everyone that's incoming to please take a PCR test, okay, which is the test that detects, you know, whether you've had COVID before or you've got COVID. That test, not the fast rapid test, which is basically, it just gives you a negative or a positive result. Anyway, I'm at Kingston Norman Airport, but let me start from the beginning. The beginning was yesterday. I contacted the number on WhatsApp. There's 2 numbers. They never got back to me until this morning as I was leaving, saying bye to Babe's mum and the family. All right, leaving from Port Antonio. They said to me that in order for me to get a PCR test, I am supposed to be coming back. I'm supposed to be getting it 2 days prior to departure, okay? It is 2 days prior to departure. Today's Saturday, all right? I leave on Monday. Now, as far as I'm aware, you come to Kingston Norman Airport to get your test, right? But it turns out that they don't do that PCR test here at the airport. So where the hell am I supposed to go? I've been here. I spoke to the gentleman, right, ready to give you my passport and everything, and he's like, oh, what testing are you here for? And I said, PCR test. All right, and he goes, oh no, we don't do it here. And I said, well, I've been sent here, 1:30 appointment, right, it's 2 o'clock now, to come and get the PCR test. I feel a type of way. Yes, I feel frustrated. I feel upset that the fact that I might even not be able to fly and lose a total airfare. All right, that's the part that I'm upset about. No, I'm not upset. That I'd love to stay and be with Babe, but the circumstances aren't what it is. You know what I mean? That this is the situation we're dealing with right now. So I'm not happy. So I'm sitting in the car right now trying to contact the lady I spoke to this morning that sent me here for my 1:30 appointment. All right, and she said that she's going to ring her manager and talk to him. I'm now going to call her back in about 5 minutes time, okay, to find out where they're going to send me for this PCR test. Mind you, I'm paying $22,500 for this test, which is 200 Australian dollars. I think it's like 150, yeah, 150 US dollars, right? I need this test done, whether today or tomorrow. Doesn't matter when, I need it done. For me to fly out, to enter Australian borders, I need that test. There's no way about it, okay? So I'm just angry at the fact that they can't get their facts right. The people here don't even know, in this airport, don't even know. Like the people that are doing the COVID testing and that, they don't even know. They have no idea where I'm supposed to go. They gave me literally a piece of paper, no number. They said, you are to look up, Google this place, Bay West Wellness Hospital, Google it, and then get the address or their number. I'm like, whoa, okay. Fair enough, they see I'm with a Jamaican man. I'm married to a Jamaican person, but what if we both don't have data or he hasn't got a phone? You know what I mean? Like, how am I supposed to look that up? My phone's an international number. How am I supposed to look that up? Like, guys, this is what frustrates me sometimes. And this is not just Jamaica. This is everywhere around the world. You know, you go to New York and you're in the line waiting for 10 hours, it feels like. You know, like, it's ridiculous. You go to Argentina, same thing. You know? It's like, people, get your facts right. That's all I'm saying. Get your facts right. Send the people where they need to go to get the right dose or whatever they need, dose, injection, test, whatever it is you're gonna go do. Send them to the right place, you know? Address them. Send them your address. Don't go to Manly International, because they don't do PCR tests. Come to the Bay Wellness Hospital in Jamaica, or go, you know what I mean? It's just frustrating. Yeah, babe, do you want to add anything?
Yeah, it's just...
Especially with a baby and it's hot.
It's really hard, man. Like, that's the thing I hate about Jamaica when it comes to certain things, doing paperwork or whatever. They get so confused and they send you all over the place. Act like they don't know what they're doing. So I feel the vibe. You know, I know how babe feel right now. You know, because we don't have much time. We don't have much time to do this test actually. So
literally, they close at 4.
exactly, they close at 4.
2 o'clock.
So I don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah.
I gotta call him.
Yeah, call them.
Hello, yes, it's Maria calling.
Hi.
Hi, did you speak to your manager?
No. You like to speak to a manager?
No, did you speak to the manager in regards to the PCR test?
Okay, so this is Maria. Alright.
Yes.
Just a moment. Yes, I
Okay.
did. Just a moment.
Yep.
Alright, just a moment.
Okay.
There you go.
No worries.
Hello, good day.
Hello, yes.
You have 1 minute remaining on this call.
I've... Yep.
You hear me?
Yes.
She explained, she already explained the situation. Alright, so what happened is that we got the wrong set of tests, basically. I know you have flight on Monday. What time Monday is the flight?
10:20 in the morning.
Alright, so what we're trying to do is either try and get some tests in the evening or first thing in the morning. So what I'm going to do is take information and keep it updated.
Credit about to finish.
My credit's about to finish. Can you call me back, please?
Yeah.
Call me back on this number. Yeah, no, I don't have credit. Can you please call me back on this number? It's about to cut out.
Oh boy.
Wow. Can I talk to... How do I get in contact with the Prime Minister? Like, honestly to God. Like, swear to God.
Yes, hello, Maria.
Yes, hello. I've tried to... I'm calling you back.
Yeah. Alright, you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, so what my boss was saying is basically he's trying to sort out something for you to either get tested in the evening or tomorrow.
What, today?
Yes, no guarantee, but he's trying. He's saying the tests that we got were the incorrect tests for the PCR test.
Okay, now why is the chart saying that up at the airport saying that there will be PCR testing from the 14th of February, which is tomorrow?
We should have had the equipment because we have done PCR testing before.
Okay.
Yes, that what we currently have on us right now is not a PCR test. It's just a mix-up. Really sorry about that.
Yeah, I really need the PCR testing because I will not allowed to be in my country unless I get that testing, and I can't afford to stay in Jamaica any longer.
I totally understand, Maria.
Yeah, if I mean,
what I'm gonna do
yep, keep going. Sorry.
Is reach out to you later with an update. I'm just waiting on my manager to tell me what to do or what to say, and I'll just pass along the information on what we're going to do, what we're going to take.
Yeah, because from my understanding, the international airport only gave me a piece of paper with a website to go on there, and I went on the website and it says Montego Bay. I can't get there.
Yeah, we have us lab in Montego Bay. That's actually where the tests are coming from. Yeah, you can't. That's impractical.
Yeah, that's very impractical. Yeah, it's very impractical. Okay, look, try and do your best for me, please. I really need to get this test done soon. Whenever it's, whenever you guys can get it.
Your flight is Monday, you said?
Yeah, Monday at 10:20 a.m. and I'm traveling with my 6-month-old baby boy. So yeah, it's going to be a long flight back to Australia.
Alright, understood. Alright, Maria, I'm gonna call you back on WhatsApp because I don't have any credit.
Okay.
In about an hour time, alright?
Okay, no worries. Alright.
Alright, thanks for your patience and understanding.
Alright, thanks, bye.